in the airplane with Sophia and Dad. And I am very happy. There's a view. I'm not sure if you even see anything. Yeah, she's watching a movie. The altitude right now is like 34,000. No, actually. Oh. The distance. Wait. It's 35,000. Oh. Wait. I'm not sure if you'll see anything. Yeah. So I am actually in the airplane, as you guys know. So I am going to post in Vietnam, and if it's still not morning, then I'll post tomorrow. Tomorrow. I don't know. Anyways, buy blueberries.